Hello friends. Welcome back to BrainSprouts by Robby, where math grows in your brain like a superpower. Today, we are going to solve some fun word problems using addition and subtraction. By the end of this lesson, you will be a math detective who knows when to add and when to subtract. Quick question. If you have 2 pencils and I give you 3 more, how many do you have? Yes, 5 pencils. That is addition. Now, if you had 10 candies and you ate 4, how many are left? Correct. 6 candies. That is subtraction. So today, we will see how addition and subtraction help us solve real-life problems. Lesson 1. Word problems with addition. Let us begin with addition word problems. Example 1. Sarah has 12 apples. Her friend gives her 8 more. How many apples does she have in total? We add. 12 plus 8 equals 20 apples. Example 2. In a class, there are 15 boys and 17 girls. How many children are in the class altogether? We add. 15 plus 17 equals 32 children. Example 3. A toy store sold 25 cars on Monday and 34 cars on Tuesday. How many cars were sold in the 2 days? We add. 25 plus 34 equals 59 cars. So, whenever we see words like together, total, in all, or altogether, we know it is addition. Lesson 2. Word problems with subtraction. Now let us look at subtraction word problems. Example 1. James had 40 chocolates. He gave 15 to his friends. How many chocolates are left? We subtract. 40 minus 15 equals 25 chocolates. Example 2. A school has 120 students. 45 went on a trip. How many stayed back? We subtract. 120 minus 45 equals 75 students. Example 3. There were 80 birds on a tree. 25 flew away. How many are still on the tree? We subtract. 80 minus 25 equals 55 birds. When we see words like left, remain, difference, how many more, or how many less, that is subtraction. Lesson 3. Mixed problem. Now let us try one that uses both addition and subtraction. Example. In a basket, there are 30 apples and 20 oranges. If 15 apples are eaten, how many fruits are left? Step 1. Find the total number of fruits. 30 plus 20 equals 50. Step 2. Subtract the eaten apples. 50 minus 15 equals 35 fruits left. Well done, math detectives. Today you learned how to add numbers in word problems, subtract numbers in word problems, solve a problem with both addition and subtraction. Assignment for students. Solve these word problems. Addition problems. A farmer has 28 cows and 35 goats. How many animals does he have in total? In a library, there are 120 storybooks and 85 science books. How many books are there altogether? A bus carried 25 passengers in the morning and 47 in the evening. How many passengers were carried in total? Subtraction problems. A shopkeeper had 95 pencils. He sold 38. How many pencils are left? A farmer had 250 mangoes. He sold 180. How many does he still have? A tank can hold 500 liters of water. If 275 liters are used, how much water remains? Mixed problem. There are 40 boys and 35 girls in a class. If 20 boys leave the class, how many students are left? Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it so that more children can grow their brain sprouts. And I will see you in the next lesson.